As many of us know, making money in these times can be very difficult and even time-consuming. Sometimes we can end up spending our precious time trying to earn precious little. Well, today we have an answer to this ever-present problem, and the best part about it is that it takes only a minute of your time to start earning money. You might be thinking that earning $3,000 just from watching some videos is some crazy talk, but we're here to show that it's something that you can do right at this very moment. For every minute you spend, you can earn money again and again and again, and it can all go straight into your PayPal account. If that isn't a tantalizing prospect, I don't know what is. Keep in mind that earning potential for this method is very high, and that people in the past have tried to keep this information under wraps because of how new and unique this money-earning method is. Don't worry though, because we're here to help you learn and earn in this video, and to get the results you want. By following the instructions we outline in this video, you'll be able to experience a level of financial freedom that you might very well have never experienced before. Imagine being free of debt or limits to spending, and being able to do what you want, when you want to, anything under the sun at all. Do you want to achieve that dream? Then stick with us. We'll show you how to get there, don't fret. And one more good thing to know before going in, this is completely free. Requires no types of investment whatsoever and is available to anyone in the world right now with access to the internet and YouTube. This is Daily Payday, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Also, don't forget to leave a like because it helps us just as much as it'll help you out in the long run. If you've got any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to leave comments in the comment section of the video down below. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make more than $3,000 all by watching YouTube videos. We're going to go through the steps and outline the process of each, so sit back, relax, and get ready to take some notes. Here we go. So first off, we want you to make a new tab on your browser. Head on over to youtube.com and search for motivational videos. You'll get several results posted by many other people. You'll see that a lot of these videos have received millions of views. Now we know what you're thinking, and no, you're not going to be making your own videos for this plan to work out. Don't worry about that or having to use a camera of any sort. This method doesn't require you to make use of a webcam to capture your face or even make a YouTube channel. It does, however, require you to watch YouTube videos as explained a while ago. This means that you'll instead be making money off of other people's videos. Keep watching to find out, but before that, don't be afraid to leave any comments or concerns in the comments down below. We appreciate each and every comment, like, and subscription that goes our way, and would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. Moving back to the search results we found, you'll see that many of these videos have a significant number of views, some even breaking over 2 million views. That's a lot of people looking for help and guidance in these types of content and videos. Here, we want you to choose 3 videos from the search results. We're just about to move on to the next step. But before that, here is our reminder to leave a like on the video and hit subscribe if you want to see more from Daily Payday. Now back to the video. For the next step in the process, you'll need to head to uii.io. Here, you can earn money through PayPal every time someone you send your unique link to clicks on it. Overall, this is really straightforward. You essentially create a free account on the site and then simply shorten your links. We'll show you exactly how in a bit. When you've got your shortened link and you get people to click on it, you'll get paid money through PayPal. This is how people anywhere in the world are able to start earning money every single day. If you try this, you get paid for every click. The pay varies though depending on who in the first place is clicking your link. If a person from Switzerland clicks on your link, your account is paid around $6. And if someone from Vietnam visits your link, you're paid around $2. You can refer to the different rates per country on the website via payout rates. At this point, we're about to summarize the overall plan, but before we do that, we'd like to ask you about your thoughts on the strategy so far. Is the strategy something that you're eager to do? Have you seen strategies like this before? Let us know in the comments down below, but do remember to be nice to others over there. Back to the plan. The overall concept is to create an account and shorten links that we can create people to click on. And with every click, you're going to be paid some amount of money depending on where those people live. What's more is you'll always be earning money whenever people are clicking on your link, and there isn't a limit to how much you can earn with this. So that's our strategy. Go to YouTube, choose 3 different motivational videos, and from there, click on the share button to access the link that'll be shortened. And copy the video link. Then we have the link shortened and then send this out to people to have them click on it. Now, your question might be, how do we actually get people to click on our link? How do we get internet traffic onto our link? This is where a copy and paste script can help out a lot. You can create a general script that you have that you can use to try and convince people to click on the link that you send them. For example, since you've shortened links that lead to motivational videos, you can create a script that can try and convince someone that the link you send to them will lead to a video that will give them motivation that will last them their lifetime. All they'll need to do is come back to this video via your link whenever they need motivation. From there, you just make sure that your link is currently added into your copy and paste script, and then you simply send it out to people. Now we're going to help you through the creation of your account. First off, all you need to do is click on the sign up free button to sign up for free. Then you're going to be taken to a page where you can enter your information and basically register for free. You enter your name, your email, and your password. And once you've logged into your new account, you're going to see a dashboard that contains all this information and all these statistics about the links you've shortened. You can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're receiving every single day. At the moment, since this is a new account, you're not going to see any statistics and have zero earnings. This will hopefully start to shoot up once you get your shortened links going and you've gotten people to click on them. If you're watching this right now, you can go and do exactly what we're doing right now. And you can start earning money via PayPal as soon as possible. What you have to do is click on the new shorten link button and paste the link of one of the videos you've copied from the share link function on YouTube into the field that pops up like so. Then for the alias of the video, you can use any name for that link, though motivational sounds just about right for the video you're linking to. Then we click on the shorten button and you'll see UII.io shortening links to a special shortened link. Now you can try to get people to click on the special link, and whenever they click on it, they're redirected right to the YouTube video you linked. They get to watch the motivational video and you get paid for every visit. From here, you just copy your shortened link into the script you made. Now your script for your first link is ready. Next, we go and repeat these same steps for the second and third links. We'll start with the second link by creating a script for the second link, grabbing the share link for the video from YouTube, then plugging the link into the shortener and adding the link to your script for the second link. We do the same for the third video as well. Now, with this strategy, the more links we shorten and put up for visiting, the more opportunities for money to flow into your PayPal account. When you're done making the scripts for the link, just save those scripts as PDFs, and then we move on to the last website we need to visit for this guide. Before we continue with the video, how's our guide so far? Has it been informative? Do you have any ideas that we could maybe consider for future videos or any remarks on the format of our videos? If so, be sure to leave them down in the comments section down below. And if you like our video so far, don't be afraid to leave a thumbs up on the video. And if you'd like to see more of what Daily Payday can bring to you, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for more Daily Payday videos. Next, we move to slideshare.net. On this site, documents and slideshows get uploaded by different people to share information with others. In this example, we go and sign up for an account on SlideShare, and then once we're logged into our new account, we go and click on the upload button at the top of the site and upload our script PDF files. Again, we're going to sign up for an account on slideshare.net, and then we're going to upload the PDF files of the scripts that we've created. With more than 70 million people visiting their website to learn something new, SlideShare is one of the best places to share your links and scripts. If visitors happen to watch your video, they can head over to your document, click on the links you posted, and watch the videos you linked while you earn money from their time. It's a win-win situation. People watch a meaningful and informative video, and you get paid for showing them the way to that video. And that's it. If you decide to follow our guide, you'll be earning some decent money through those links. We hope our guide helped, and we thank you for watching the video through the end. If you really like our stuff, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Be sure to leave any of your success stories with this strategy down below in the comments. Once again, this has been Daily Payday, and we'll see you next time.